Hey, hope everyone's having a good day. Today we have a box and the Viking. Got something new here that I purchased from a YouTuber named goes by Roll Shambo. Check out his channel, Roll Shambo. I think it's tape. Got some more tape here. No problem for the Viking. And it's still stuck closed. There we go. Yeah. Another Midgards messer. Should be pretty cool. Yeah. It's the Berserker full size. Lots of titanium. It's a big one. Peanuts. This is an interesting piece. Give it a little first flick here. Big blade. Yeah. Awesome. Very cool. So, asked Roll Shambo about some information on this. This is a prototype. So there were 3 made. One was the designer. One went to Midgards Messer, and one went to Roll Shambo. Well, this is pretty cool. Yeah, plenty of room to grip. Got all this extra stuff hanging off. Yeah, this is cool. The Berserker prototype. Awesome. Very cool milling. Nice big full back spacer. I like that. That's just a cool big long blade. Compare it to the Viking. Overall length's a little bigger. There's a XM18 3.5 inch. These things make it look tiny. Got some stuff on the tip. Got some stuff on the blade. There we go. Yeah. What an awesome addition. Lots of jimping. Drops shut, expected. Reverse flick. Thumb flick. Flipper flick. This is killer. Love it. Very happy to have this in the collection now. So, just a quick unboxing, quick little first look. Check out Roll Shambo's channel. Got good content. I got goofy content. He's got good content. Yeah. Midgard Messer Berserker. So cool. Prototype. It's a lot of knife. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.